Air conditioning systems are sealed systems, but they can seep the gas inside and it can run low. It still seems to cool okay, but when it's low on gas, it's not good for the compressor. The compressor relies on the pressure of that gas to operate properly and keep itself lubricated properly. So yeah, every few years you should have it serviced. Once a year generally, just make sure it's blowing cold. Maybe every 2 or 3 years you just go ahead and do a service on the AC. But as far as anything else with an AC, it's just a symptom by symptom procedure, depending on if something's happening or not, whether to address anything with it.